In this video I'm going to show you how to update your Peugeot. Now this is done through the My Peugeot app. So if you just click onto here and then on your car icon, this will then show you what updates you need. So let's just say update in your nav. It will show you the details of the update. Click the send the download link and that will send it to your email. So once you've done the download, install the file. It will ask you to use a thumb drive or an external hard drive. I will then update you once this has finished downloading. As you can see, it's a large file, 17.5 gigs, and we will put it onto the thumb drive and take you to the car to show you what we do then. So we're now in the car. I've got the thumb drive that's downloaded the update on. So if you go down to the USB port, plug this in. So there we have. So you need, the car needs to be on, and just put it into neutral. This is an electric car, so you have to stay in and have the engine on. So we then press yes. Map Euro and install. So for this update, this is for the European countries and that, so I've just selected the United Kingdom, and which means it's not such a big update. If we click OK, now hopefully it won't take so long, and I will update you as soon as it's finished. So the update has finished, so we'll just click yes. System will do a restart. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and smash that notification bell if you found this useful. Also, if you would share it, that would be a great help to the channel.